Hi friends, this is Dimple Mera Vishwakarma on my channel Angels Work India, which is there on Instagram. So guys, today I shall be starting with Alphabet H 2021. So going on the finance part, I see excellent here for the Alphabet H on their finances. They'll be able to independently have great money through all sources. I see the wealth coming from family, wealth coming from self efforts, wealth coming which has been stuck from a very long time. Wealth is coming from every damn chore for you. There is also a warning sign for Alphabet H. This year, if you lend money to anyone, then this year it will be very difficult for you to recover the money back from that person, because that person will be in anticipation that you're doing so well in life, you don't need this money back, and that is the reason why they'll make you run behind them for this same wealth. So my suggestion to you is that keep your wealth intact with you, save it, do not give it to others, because they'll not be in a position to return you back. Now when I check on the relationship part, relationship wise, you'll be nursing someone who is not keeping up with good health, and constantly you will be taking care of them with regards to relationship wise, things will be good. But as I told you, do not lend money to anyone, otherwise it will create problems in the family. Also what I see is that there will be possibilities of divorce and flings which may happen. Avoid getting into any kind of extramarital affair if you are if you're Alphabet H. Otherwise it will create a very complicated 2021, which otherwise is going to be a superb rocking and fantastic year for you. As we could see in the financial part of like lending anyone the money is going to be problematic. Same way, lending anyone your precious heart and your emotions can also be problematic in relationship wise. Now if I look on the health aspect also, you need to be careful about your health part. Do not ignore other people's advice. Do not be a doctor of your own, otherwise you will create health related complications. If I look at the career aspect of this year 2021, this year you will have problems if you do partnership business with anyone. So please do not get into partnership business with anyone. Otherwise, you will have to get into the legal matters to get your money back. If I look at the education wise, you will receive very positive news with regards to foreign country, or foreign board of your child, or in case you want to make your child a doctor, engineer, or whatever, scholarships can come. So overall, this is going to be a good year. Do not spend any kind of money. However, there's a warning sign on any broker or any person who says that like they can get you the visa, education visa, they can get you the education loan. Go through a proper channel, otherwise there is a possibility you might meet a crook and you will waste your money. With regards to kids, I see that like teenage girls who get intimate with their boyfriends, or if you're a teenage boy who's getting intimate with their girlfriend, there is a strong possibility of you guys having a pregnancy and abortion this year. Do not get into these kind of school college romance, otherwise problems will be there. Just ensure that you focus this year on studies, because your parents would be investing a lot of money on studies and their expectations are not this from you. If I look at your best day, then I see Wednesday and Saturday as your best day. If I look at your best color, I see indigo as a best color. The worst day for you would be if you do anything on a Wednesday and Saturday and you do it in a lethargic manner, you consume alcohol on that day, or you do any kind of vices on that particular day, you will make the best day the worst day of your life. The worst color for you, or the color that will not be suitable for you in 2021, would be a green color. The best month for you would be a March and a April. The worst month, or the non-favorable month for you, would be in the month of October. This year, any kind of like remedy, if you have to follow, my suggestion to you is, do not lie, do not cheat, do not speak negative words to people. Otherwise you will lead your life into complications. This year, lying and manipulation will lead you into bigger mess than you can even anticipate. Travel wise, this year, avoid drink and driving. Otherwise you will get into the entire legal matters, and the legal matters would be such wherein the cop would be someone who will ensure that you are behind bars, or you will create a lot of problems this year. Overall, the cards are saying 2021 can be good if you follow these precautions. Positive news will come to you in the beginning of the year. So, guys, this was Alphabet H 2021. Stay tuned to my channel. There are so many alphabets which are being uploaded in English and Hindi language. Do check these alphabets for yourself, for your friends, family. Do share with them, and also don't forget, you need to check how your competitors will do in 2021. So, thank you, guys. This was Dimple Mehra from her channel Angels Work India.